It's Bridget, registered dietitian with the Kroger family of companies. The holidays are upon us. It can be a difficult season for those who are trying to have a health and wellness focus. There are so many indulgent foods, parties, special occasions. It can be really easy to overdo it. So today, I'm going to help you navigate the holidays while keeping food fun. Tactics for a healthier holiday don't start at the evening meal. They start at breakfast. Avoid the urge to skip meals and save up all your calories for a giant meal late in the day. Don't do it. What happens is you'll end up feeling really hungry and overindulging later in the day. Definitely have breakfast. We want a breakfast that's really sound and nutrient dense. And that's as simple as including all 3 major macronutrients. That's complex carbs, healthy fat, and lean protein. Before you get too intimidated by that, it actually doesn't even need to involve cooking. Something really simple, like a plain Greek yogurt topped with half a cup of fruit and a tablespoon of chia seeds is going to give us all 3 of those major macronutrients and get you off on a great start for your holiday. Beverages are one of the sneakiest sources of holiday calories. There's 2 main culprits: sugar-sweetened beverages and alcohol. Between these 2, it's really easy to consume between 300 and 500 calories just between drinks without ever realizing it on a holiday. So there's a simple solution that gives a 1-2 punch. Seltzer water. What it does is eliminate the calories while making sure you're hydrated throughout the day. It's really easy to elevate this drink into something more fun so you can have a fun drink just like everybody else at the party. One of my favorite examples is our cucumber melon seltzer water. Take a seltzer water, put some cucumber slices in there, a splash of lemon juice, and then take a mint leaf, clap your hands to get some of those mint oils really going, drop that in your drink for a nice refreshing beverage. Let's talk appetizer strategy. They're going to be out all day and they're going to be tempting. It's easy to overdo it on appetizers and eat between 400 and 500 calories of snacks without ever realizing it and maybe not ever feeling full. Skip the items that you could have every day, focus in on those that you really want, and pair it with something light and fresh. Be the appetizer hero. Bring the veggie tray. It's light, fresh, beautiful in color, easy on you because you didn't have to prepare it, and it meets a wide range of dietary needs. It's helpful for someone who has diabetes, maybe someone who's looking to eat heart healthy, someone who's gluten-free. In most cases, it's even good for those with food allergies. So by bringing this one simple item, you're doing something great for the entire family. All right, we've made it through our main meal. Now on to everybody's favorite part, dessert. My personal favorite as well. The key to dessert is really portion. It's all about that serving size, because the difference between feeling uncomfortably full and just satisfied is usually as small as 2 to 3 bites. So if you're looking for a lighter dessert option, we want to do something that includes fruit. Make sure you're eating nice and slowly. Savor your dessert and really enjoy it. And it's best practice to wait about 15 minutes after your main meal to let your body really sense just how full you are. That's going to help you determine how much you should be eating. If you're looking for a simple recipe for a nice light dessert, take one of your favorite fruits, maybe something like peaches, apple, slice it up, put it in a glass baking dish, sprinkle a little cinnamon, a little nutmeg, bake at 350 for about 15 minutes, and then top with some Greek yogurt drizzle and sprinkle some walnuts. That's a nice nutrient-dense dessert that also gives you a serving of fruit. Check back for more videos with our experts featuring tips and affordable ways to help you live a healthier life. Brought to you by Wellness Your Way.